Let's have a look at the one at the back. It's even wider. I don't know how rare they are. Bollard in the way, brilliant. Hi, how you doing? Thanks for tuning in, Mark here. So today I'm working on a rather lovely Nissan 350Z. And before we look at the headlights, just sort of cop a load of this. Look at that, those wheels and tyres. Wicked. I don't know the specs on any of them, but they look really good. But unfortunately, the headlights don't look so good. So they're going to need me for a few hours to hopefully get them right up to speed for the car and do it some serious justice. Yeah, possibly an MOT fail, to be fair. Really quite badly yellow and cloudy, really letting the look of the car down, no doubt about it. Yeah, and there we go. Right, let's see what I can do in the next few hours. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in a bit. Hi, how you doing? Welcome back. So today I've been fortunate enough to work on this wicked Nissan 350Z here in Herne Bay in Kent in the UK. And before I show you the result with the headlights, I just wanted to show you these wicked wheels. Starting here at the front, I'll probably do a terrible job of videoing this, but that tyre, 245 35 19. I just love the way they sit, stretched slightly on the rim. Can you see that? Let's have a look at the one at the back. It's even wider. 275 35 19, that is. Looks really good. This is convertible as well, cabriolet. I don't know how rare they are. I don't recall seeing many of those, but let's just spin round and have a look at it from over here. There you go. Look at that. Bollard in the way, brilliant. I'll try and get some better after shots, maybe with the lights on. But yeah, and the headlights have turned out really good, so I'm really pleased about that. Hopefully the owner will be happy. So I'll do some proper after shots, a bit more stable, using the slightly better camera on the back of this phone. But there you go, good few hours spent on them, and they look pretty good again. See if I can pan out a little bit. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.